We're coming by. We have to look at the rockets outside.
Doing a quest. What is your quest? Ah, yes! I have achieved a quest! My word, I've been waiting for this exact moment.
Huh? Oh. Hey, that was Fletcher. Hey, Fletcher, snap hook for you.
Oh, what? Huh?
Snap hook.
Are you
Grab
gonna
it.
delete it? Oh, yeah, never
Right
mind.
here. Right here. He said for saving his life.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, he's not gonna loot the
The
rest of
pleasure
us.
is
Oh,
all
yeah,
mine. Medium gun parts! Yes! I needed those so bad!